back to my channel. I am bringing you something really dope. Usually when I bring you wig videos, they're for people who really want to learn how to customize and things of that sort. You really want to know how to dig into those wigs and get them to look exactly the way that you want them to look. But this particular wig comes already prepared to slay, you guys. So I'm excited to bring you this. It's already pre-plucked and it's plucked well. Some companies will pre-pluck with just a little bit to kind of get you started. This is pre-plucked very well. The knots are already pre-bleached, so hello. And it comes with the adjustable straps, the combs in position as normal. But it also comes with an elastic band. For those of you who love the elastic bands, it gets you a nice snug fit, you guys. The elastic band is detachable. Now that is really dope, because I typically don't even wear the elastic bands because I have migraines. I don't do anything that will trigger a migraine, so I don't do the elastic bands. And this one is so comfortable, you guys. It's really comfortable, so I love that. But if you just don't want, you know, to use the elastic band at all, it is detachable. I think it's just really cool. So just big ups for that, for putting the quality into the wig. So all you really have to do is just apply it. Let me just show you. I'm gonna just show y'all. Okay,